Hey there, future scientists. Ever wonder how things work? Like, why does soap make bubbles or how does bread rise? That's chemistry in action. Chemistry is the study of stuff, what it's made of, how it changes, and how it interacts. It's like a giant puzzle, but instead of pieces, we have atoms and molecules. But here's a secret. Chemistry isn't just about textbooks and labs. It can be fun, exciting, and even a little bit explosive, in a good way, of course. Let's dive into the world of chemistry and learn how to make it a blast. Imagine trying to learn how to ride a bike just by reading a book. You'd probably fall over a lot. It's the same with chemistry. Our brains remember things better when we actually experience them. That's where play and hands-on activities come in. When you play, you're not just memorizing facts, you're using your senses, solving problems, and getting creative. You're turning learning into an adventure. So, put on your scientist goggles, or your imagination will do, and let's explore some fun ways to make chemistry come alive. Who says learning can't be a game? There are tons of games out there that make chemistry fun and engaging. Element bingo. Create bingo cards with different elements. Call out clues like, this element is used to make balloons float, helium. First one to get 5 in a row wins. Molecule building. Grab some marshmallows and toothpicks. Each marshmallow represents an atom, and the toothpicks are the bonds. See who can build the most complex molecule. Chemistry trivia. Test your knowledge with trivia questions about elements, compounds, and chemical reactions. The more you play, the more you'll learn. You don't need a fancy lab to do chemistry experiments. Your kitchen is full of everyday ingredients that can transform into science projects. Make a volcano. This classic experiment never gets old. Combine baking soda, a base, and vinegar and acid to create a foamy eruption. Dancing raisins. Drop some raisins into a glass of clear soda. Watch as the bubbles attach themselves to the raisins, making them dance up and down. Invisible ink. Dip a cotton swab in lemon juice and write a secret message on a piece of paper. The message will remain invisible until you heat it up with a light bulb, revealing your hidden words. Baking soda and vinegar aren't just for baking and salad dressing, they're chemistry superstars. Baking soda is a base, and vinegar is an acid. When they mix, they react to create carbon dioxide gas, which is what makes all those cool bubbles. You can use baking soda and vinegar to power a homemade rocket, inflate a balloon without blowing into it, or even make a miniature fire extinguisher. Just remember to always ask for an adult's help before experimenting. Section 6. Colorful Chemistry, Exploring Chromatography. Ever wonder how scientists separate colors? One way is through a process called chromatography. It's like magic, but with science. Coffee filter chromatography. Cut a coffee filter into a strip. Use markers to make dots of different colors near the bottom of the strip. Dip the bottom of the strip in a shallow dish of water, and watch as the water travels up the filter, separating the colors into beautiful patterns. Candy chromatography. You can even do chromatography with candy. Just use different colored candies and water. It's a fun and delicious way to learn about how colors mix and separate. Section 7. Slime Time, the Science of Polymers. Slime is more than just a gooey, stretchy toy. It's a fantastic example of polymers in action. Polymers are long chains of molecules that can be found in all sorts of materials, from plastic to rubber to DNA. Make your own slime. Mix together glue, borax solution, and food coloring to create your own batch of slime. Experiment with different ratios to see how it changes the slime's consistency. You can even add glitter or other small objects to make it extra special. Section 8. Keep the chemistry fun going. The world of chemistry is full of endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, ask questions, and try new things. Read books, watch videos, and visit science museums to learn more about the fascinating world of chemistry. You can even start your own science journal to record your observations and ideas. Section 9. The world needs your curiosity. The most important thing is to never lose your sense of wonder. The world needs curious minds like yours to solve problems, make new discoveries, and make the world a better place. So go out there, explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with chemistry. Who knows, you might just be the next great scientist.